Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. We have exercise number 7 for chapter number 13, that how to create a parcel segment tables. The process of creating parcel segment tables is similar to the way you create area tables. You can select the segment that are listed in the table based on their labels, style, or select each segment individually. When a segment is listed in the table, its label is transformed into a tag that simply assigns a number to the segment. Usually, we will want to renumber these tags to follow a sequential order that matches how they are laid out in the drawing. We can do this using the renumber tags command on the ribbon. We can create three types of segment tables: line, curve, and segments. The last type, segment, is simply a combination of line and curve data in the same tables. Before starting this exercise, please subscribe my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. I'm sorry. You can also access through my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Design, where you can get many more material related to Civil 3D. Before starting this exercise, you must need to download this practical drawing for named creating a segment table from description link. Okay, once you have downloaded, you can open this drawing. On the Annotate tab of the ribbon, click Add Tables. When you will click Add Tables, then Parcel and press Add Curves. On Table Creations, here you check it should be length, radius and delta. For select by labels or style, you can select any criteria according to your design. For now, I just need delta over length and radius. I will select this on apply column and press OK. It will ask me to select upper left corner of my table. When I click, it will give me curve data table for my curves on each parcel like this. See, these are my curves label, so I can put them at once in a table type. Click the curve label at the northwest corner of lot 41. For example, I just want to put this label into along the curve. Just select on this circular grip, it will goes to near the curve, and I want to renumber this tag. Actually, it's our curves tag. We can also tag our lines to put them later in our table. For example, I just want to renumber this tag. Just click here renumber and it will show you C1. We have some more. I will select them one by one and just press renumber. You will see in the table that this data has been changed according to renumber. You can see we have convert C1, C2, C3 and C4. Once I will go to the curve table, it will show C1, 2, 3, 4 and another are remaining. I am leaving these all of to you. You can do the same for all of them. For now, for example, we have something else. Later we create some new labels, segment label for another parcels, and then we want to add these data into same table. Then how can we do that? just go to add labels first. Feature should be parcel. Label type I will select multiple and press add. I just want to add these 2 columns. Just press enter to select the direction. Now we have these 2 parcels segments which we have not already in this this curve table, and I want to put the data of curve in the same tables. How can we do that? You must need to remember C100, 15, 16 like this, which we have not already here, and later you can get them here. Okay, the last point is C114. Just select your table and then go to add item. Here it will open a little dialog box for add selection. Same thing I will select here, parcel curve data, delta, length and radius. Select this one and press OK. It will add, you can see, your new labels which you create in your drawing 15, 16 and 19. So using these methods you can make tables for curves, lines, and you can add extra and new data into your curves tables and line tables. Hope you liked with this video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon.